Another nice shot headed down the Point Pleasant Canal. She's an oldie. She's a beauty. Nice boat. Ashley Ann 2.